Section 1. Introduction. Learning made easy. Have you ever felt lost in a sea of information, struggling to grasp complex concepts? We've all been there. Learning new things can be challenging, especially when faced with complicated theories and technical jargon. But what if there was a simpler way? The Q&A format offers a clear and concise approach to breaking down difficult subjects. By posing relevant questions and providing straightforward answers, we can unlock a deeper understanding of the world around us. This approach caters to all learners, making knowledge accessible and engaging. This essay uses the Q&A format to unravel intricate topics, making learning a more enjoyable and rewarding experience. Each section delves into a different subject, using simple language and relatable examples to clarify complex ideas. Join us as we embark on a journey of discovery, using the power of questions and answers to illuminate the fascinating world of knowledge. Let's unlock learning together. Section 2. Understanding photosynthesis. How plants make food. Q. What is photosynthesis? A. Photosynthesis is how plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create their own food. Imagine plants as tiny chefs whipping up delicious meals using ingredients from their surroundings. They use sunlight as energy, water from the soil, and carbon dioxide from the air to cook up sugary treats called glucose. Glucose provides energy for the plant to grow and thrive. Q. Why are leaves green? A. Leaves are green because of a special pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll acts like a solar panel, capturing sunlight and converting it into energy for the plant. Think of chlorophyll as the plant's secret weapon for harnessing the power of the sun. Q. How does photosynthesis benefit us? A. Photosynthesis is essential for life on Earth. Plants release oxygen as a byproduct of making their food. Oxygen is what we breathe, so we literally depend on plants for every breath we take. Plants also absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, helping to regulate our planet's climate. Section 3. Demystifying gravity. What makes things fall? Q. What is gravity? A. Gravity is a force that attracts objects with mass towards each other. It's like an invisible magnet pulling things together. The Earth has a lot of mass, so it exerts a strong gravitational pull on everything around it, including us. That's why we stay grounded and don't float off into space. Q. Why do things fall at different speeds? A. Air resistance plays a role in how fast objects fall. Imagine dropping a feather and a rock from the same height. The rock will plummet quickly while the feather gently glides down. This is because the feather's larger surface area encounters more air resistance, slowing its descent. Q. How does gravity affect the universe? A. Gravity is responsible for holding the Earth in orbit around the Sun, keeping our solar system intact. It also plays a crucial role in the formation of stars and galaxies. Gravity is like the cosmic glue that holds the universe together, ensuring that everything stays in its rightful place. Section 4. Exploring the water cycle. Nature's recycling system. What is the water cycle? Well, the water cycle is the continuous movement of water on, above, and below the surface of the Earth. It's like a giant water park, where water constantly changes forms and travels from one place to another. This cycle ensures that water is always available for all living things. How does water move through the cycle? The sun's energy powers the water cycle. Heat from the sun causes water to evaporate from oceans, lakes, and rivers, transforming it into vapor. This vapor rises into the atmosphere, where it cools and condenses into clouds. Eventually, the water falls back to Earth as precipitation, such as rain or snow. Why is the water cycle important? The water cycle is crucial for sustaining life on Earth. It replenishes freshwater sources, supports ecosystems, and regulates weather patterns. Without the water cycle, our planet would be a barren and inhospitable place. Section 5. Conclusion. The power of asking why. The Q&A approach opens doors to a world of understanding. By asking questions and seeking clear answers, we can demystify complex topics and make learning more accessible. This format encourages curiosity, promotes critical thinking, and empowers us to explore the intricacies of our world. Remember, the journey of learning is a continuous process. Embrace the power of questions, seek answers, and never stop exploring. The more we ask why, the more we discover, unlocking a universe of knowledge waiting to be explored.